Why are there not more people talking about the power of a fresh start? Hey moms, it's time to make this month amazing. Here's your monthly to-do list. First up, set your monthly goals. Dream big, but remember, small steps count too. Next, take a moment to review last month. What worked and what didn't? Learn from it and move forward. Celebrate those small victories. Every little win deserves a mini dance party. Now, write down what you're grateful for. It's like a positivity booster shot. Reassess your goals, break them into long-term and short-term, and map out your month. How about a 30-day challenge? Something fun like 15 minutes of quality time with the kids each day. Lastly, let go of something out of your control. It's okay to release that weight. Remember, small steps in the right direction can turn out to be the biggest step of your life. So, what's on your to-do list for the month? Comment below and let's make this month amazing.